Welcome back to Trading with CJ. Today we are talking about a brand new penny stock on the channel. We're going to be taking a deeper dive into this one, looking at what it does, some of its financials, etc. However, please remember I am not a financial advisor, so if you are planning on investing, you should always do your own research first. And this is a sponsored video. However, all the thoughts and opinions on this stock are my own. Okay, so let's get into this one. If you appreciate all this, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's get into this. We are talking about BIOSIG Technologies, ticker symbol BSGM. Now, at the time of recording, we currently sit on about $4.31, and we can see here over the last month we're actually down about 4%. And with this current market of everything selling off, you know, that's not too bad at all, down just to 4%. And on the 6 months, okay, we're actually down slightly more, about 9%, which once again isn't too bad. So it's been holding its own, this one, BIOSIG Technologies. So what is this company? Well, this is a medical device company, and the aim here is to commercialize these devices. Okay, they say here at BIOSIG Technologies, we are dedicated to developing new ways to help patients and physicians. Our first product is the Pure EP system, a system designed for use in a large and growing electrophysiology market, the EP market. Okay, and they have this product here. Our first product elevates the standard of care in electrophysiology through enhanced signal acquisition, digital signal processing and analysis, and that is called the Pure EP, which we will look at in just a moment. They say they have a vision here with strong commitment to research, world-class leadership team, a network to expert partners, which we will cover as well. And we are now achieving important milestones as we prepare to enter the fast-growing EP market. Our aspirations reach even further ahead to lead one of the most innovative and most promising frontiers in healthcare. So it's definitely doing exciting things. Okay, this is a healthcare stock, and it's got a product which we're going to look at in just a moment. They say that they are initially targeting the 4.6 billion EP market, which is growing at more than 10% annually and expected to exceed $8.5 billion by 2024, which is only a few years away. And the market cap of this stock is currently 137 million. Okay, so extremely low market cap for a growing market there of 8.5 by 2024. And ultimately, we hope to expand our applications to our new technology, to new disease areas and markets, helping to bring the promise of bioelectric medicine to millions of patients worldwide. So another sector that they are looking to explore into as well. And we say about this being an $8.5 billion market. Well, we also have the bioelectronic medicine, which, as you can see here, is already diverse. And this is a $20 billion market, okay? And that includes devices such as pacemakers, emerging technologies, vagus nerve stimulators, etc. Okay, so there's a lot of room here to grow for this company, a massive market to explore. So this is their product, okay, that they're starting to sell, the Pure EP, okay, and they said this is a novel real-time signal processing platform engineered to reveal the full range of cardiac signals. The Pure EP system elevates the standard of care in EP through enhanced signal acquisition, digital signal processing and analysis. So this is basically what this product is right here, and they've got different criteria here. 5 unique main system capabilities, providing clear and detailed signals across the entire range of cardiac frequencies, okay, including low noise, proprietary architecture, wide dynamic range, large frequency bandwidth, linear signal acquisition, modular design, okay, and lots more. This product here is compatible with existing EP lab equipment, providing ease of use and preserving current clinical workflow. So I think you'll agree this is a unique and innovative product design, okay, that's on the market, and this has been FDA cleared, okay, that's one of the main things. We're not waiting any sort of approval. This is ready to go out to market, and we're going to cover whether they have already and this potential sales that they may have already made in just a moment. We also have the NeuroClear side of this BIOSIG Technologies, okay? NeuroClear is a built-in way to identify and treat physical neurology and emotional disorders using a new sensing and stimulation technology. Clearer signals lead to increased efficiency, more successful treatment, and to better health. So another sector here, okay, that this company is focused on. They have the Pure EP product, and then they have the NeuroClear. So then we're going to go to some of their partnerships, okay, because this company does have lots of different partnerships, and you can see right here, okay, they have a 10-year strategic collaboration. This was signed in 2017 with Mayo Clinic to develop and advance clinical features of the Pure EP system and explore new disease areas and applications as well, which is what they're obviously working on right now. They also have a technology development partnerships with Minitrox Medical, okay, so Mayo Clinic, STG, Stern Kressler, and Minitrox Medical. So Lots of big partners here in this healthcare sector as well, which is obviously going to help them grow and grow going forward. I want to quickly touch on this here from their investment presentation. You can see here they have a tech market, okay, of 13.5, and the global EP market is expected to be 12.2 billion by 2026. These numbers are going up, okay. 2026 now, 12.2 billion. They currently have 31 patents issued, which is of course great. Means it's going to be a lot harder for people to copy this product. Okay, there's a lot of protection around this right now, and this is important. They have their first customer, #1 center by volume in US, and we're going to cover some of these deals they have going on in just a moment. Okay, and we've already mentioned they are FDA cleared, unblinding of clinical data in 2021. Lots of exciting things coming up for this company. I want to go into some of the news around this. Okay, the first big key bit of news that we got here was back in about mid-December. BIOSIG achieves first commercial sale of free pure EP systems. Unlike many other companies in this sector, or penny stocks in this sector, okay, this one is actually commercializing right now. Okay, it's actually selling products. They say our first commercial sale to St. David's Healthcare is an important milestone as we proceed in expanding our installed base nationwide. And that's from the CEO there, Kenneth Londoner. And the installation cements our valued relationship with St. David's, and as traction we are gaining in the EP market. This was a big milestone for them, okay, getting their first commercial sale back in December time. So we're now in March or April now, and yeah, we can obviously expect more and more sales to be coming underway. What I will say about this company is very good at putting out news and press releases. If we go back here to when that came out around December time, since then, you know, we've had more agreements. They've signed a research agreement with the University of Minnesota. They've been doing lots of investor conferences. You can see here they've been conducting patient cases in Indiana. They're featured in the editorial of Lab Digest. You know, constant press releases coming out from this company, which is what we want to see. We want to see a company keeping us up to date with what's going on, and they're doing lots of conferences and putting their name out there quite a lot. Okay, people are going to start hearing about this company. It's quite under the radar at the moment. We then went on to get this bit of news out in February, okay, which I thought was quite interesting. This was early February. BIOSIG and Mayo Clinic collaborate on new R&D program to develop transformative AI and machine learning technologies for its pure EP system. Okay, so the system's already out, but now they're working on some other things, okay, AI and machine learning. And what's important about this is the global market for AI in healthcare is expected to grow from 4.9 billion in 2020 to, wait for it, 45.2 billion by 2026. That is an incredible jump right there, with an estimated annual compound rate of 44.9%. And you can see here this can potentially create 150 billion in annual savings for the US healthcare economy. So AI is definitely the future here. So it's quite exciting, okay, that they are now working on ways to incorporate this, okay, the transformative AI and machine learning for its current pure EP system that it already has. So this is pretty exciting, okay, 45.2 billion by 2026, and that was in February time, okay, so we can expect to see some more updates on that in the coming months. The last main bit of news I want to touch on today is the update on their achievements and milestones anticipated here for 2021, which literally came out a few days ago. Okay, the company expands their clinical footprint, installations, and commercial sales, as we already spoke about, with leading hospitals. They have the neurostimulation division to develop a novel sensing and stimulating technology to optimize neurostimulation, which we did touch on as well. Therapies to develop novel solutions to diagnose and treat neurological disorders. Another sector that they can go into right here, okay, and you can see they have their first utility patent from the Mayo Foundation for Medical Education and Research. So they're not comfortable here sitting on this pure EP. They want to launch out, which is what we want from a company. And they have their AI effort with leading partners, which we just touched on. And the balance sheet. What's going on with the balance sheet? They have $28.3 million in cash and cash equivalent and short-term investments. Now, if we actually go into their investor presentation here, we can see here their value drivers. They've raised $41 million in 2020 with $32 million in cash on their balance sheet and no debt. So the key thing about that is there is no debt in this company, okay? No debt, lots of cash in their balance sheet, and you can see they achieved their first contract in the fourth quarter, which we just spoke about, and they're expected to triple their customer base in 2021. That means more sales, okay? Expect sequential revenue growth, which is what we want, which is obviously going to lead to the share price going up as well, and expect CE mark approval and EU entry by 2022, which is going to give them more exposure to more customers. I want to read out this statement here from the CEO from 2020. We made some significant strides in 2020 and we have laid the foundation for a strong 2021. Commercial adoption for the pure EP system is gaining momentum, and we continue to add new healthcare facilities and complete more patient cases. Commercialization, innovation, and growth remain a forefront of our strategic priorities as we expand our clinical footprint and strengthen our product positions and service offerings. We've got a strong balance sheet and we're progressing well with neurostimulation division. We're looking forward to the next generation of AI and machine learning powered software for the pure EP system. BIOSIG is well positioned to have an excellent 2021, and we look forward to executing on many opportunities that we believe. So there's lots of exciting things to come for this one. Okay, it's in the early stages at the moment, very early days. Like I said, this has a current market cap of 137 million. Share price is currently about $4.30. If we look at 6 months ago, it's been pretty flat, okay, on this as well. Okay, even though we're getting some news out about the commercialization, we did see a bit of a run up in November time, and now we've been a bit flatlined since. I think this is a good time to get into these companies, okay, when they are flatlined, because we're not getting in we're not getting in after the hype has already happened. We're getting in potentially before the sales start coming on. At the moment, they just have a few commercial sales, but with the partners growing and the technology growing, this one will get more sales in 2021. That's my opinion, and I can only imagine the revenue growing. So yeah, it's definitely an interesting company, and I hope you found this useful. Please let me know your thoughts on BIOSIG Technologies in the comments below. And if you appreciate this, please go ahead and smash a like and subscribe to my channel as well. That really is appreciated. Thanks for watching, and until next time.